Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want Google Chrome to alert you about password security issues? Chrome has a useful feature called password alerts. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable or disable password alerts in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three dot menu in the top right corner, then tap Settings. Scroll down, then tap Google Password Manager. Next, tap Settings. Then tap Password Alerts. You can turn this option on or off. Turn it on to receive password security alerts from Google Password Manager, or turn it off to stop receiving these alerts. Choose the option you want to use, and that's how to enable or disable password alerts in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching.